This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove fake human verification alerts which are associated with the website lpnotreviews.com. lpnotreviews.com is a deceptive site that is a fake human verification alert. It tries to trick people into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot, or for some other reasons. However, if people mistakenly agree with this misleading proposal, if they click on that allow button, the browser gets hijacked immediately and it gets infected with numerous advertisements that would keep popping up in the right part of the screen. Some of these ads you can see displayed. They are multiple and definitely very annoying. So if the allow button was clicked, it was surely a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. To fix the issue, access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now you should carefully research the sites which are allowed to send notifications. If you find this lpnotreviews.com, click on this button and remove this junk site from the list. And don't hesitate to remove other malicious sites from this list. You need to make sure that all these junk sites are effectively deleted. Otherwise, there may be other ads popping up and attacking your screen from time to time. There is a great program that can help you do that automatically. The program that we recommend you to use is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Using this green Download Combo Cleaner button, download the software, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.